In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a transparent header in Squarespace. Whether you're looking to give your website a sleek, modern look or simply want your header to blend seamlessly with your page content, a transparent header can be a fantastic design choice. Let's dive in and see how you can achieve this in just a few simple steps using Squarespace version 7.1. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Squarespace website. Once you're logged in, go to the specific page where you'd like the transparent header effect. Now, look for the edit button, usually located somewhere on your page. Click on it. This action will put your page into edit mode, allowing you to make all sorts of changes to the design and layout. Next, you'll need to focus on the site header, which is what we're going to make transparent. Hover over the header until you see an option to edit site header. Click on this option, which will bring up a menu with various customization options for your site's header. Don't worry if this menu feels a bit overwhelming at first, I'll help you through it. In this menu, find and click on Edit Design. This is where you can tweak the appearance of your header to suit your preferences. Within the Edit Design section, you should see a tab or option labeled Color. Click on it to proceed to the color settings of your header. Now here's the key step, making your header transparent. You'll see a color picker or a slider that lets you adjust the opacity of your header color. Drag the color slider all the way down to the lowest opacity. This action will effectively make your header background disappear, leaving it transparent. This allows the content behind the header to show through, giving your site a clean and integrated look. Once you've adjusted the color to your liking, don't forget to save your changes. There should be a Save button or similar option on the page. Click it to ensure all your customizations are applied to your Squarespace site. And just like that, you've transformed your header into a transparent one. A quick tip, after making these changes, take a moment to preview your website. Make sure that the text and any other elements in your header are still legible against the background of your page. Sometimes adjusting the text color or adding a subtle shadow can help maintain readability while preserving the transparency effect. So there you have it. You've successfully created a transparent header in Squarespace. This small change can have a big impact on the overall aesthetic of your site, giving it a polished and professional appearance. Experiment with different looks to find what suits your brand best and enjoy the creative flexibility that Squarespace offers. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. If you found it helpful, feel free to explore more design tips and tricks to enhance your website. Happy designing!